students of class 6. Today we will revise the chapter 1 and 2 book exercise. So everyone get ready with the book. Page number 16 first we will revise, then we'll revise page 29. So let us start the class. Chapter 1 book exercise. First we have fill in the blanks. Words are given in the box. From there we have to take the words and fill in the blanks. The grammar of a computer language is known as dash syntax. Next, analog computers process dash data, continuous data. Speed of supercomputers is measured in dash flops. Dash computers are used in banks, railways and hospitals. Mainframe. Dash computers are integrated into other devices. Embedded computers are integrated into other devices. Assembly language use dash code. Mnemonics code. Mnemonics code. Next we have true false. Fortran is a high-level language which uses an interpreter. True. Machine language is the only language which the computer understands. True. The program written in high-level language is called as source code. True. Palm-top computers are also called as netbooks. False. Param 8000 is the first supercomputer of India. True. Next we have the name the following. The first supercomputer. The first supercomputer. Sunway Taihuite. The sentence formed using a computer language. Statement. Unit for measuring the speed of a supercomputer. Flops. Processor used in a microcomputer. Microprocessor. Another name for embedded computers. Microcontrollers. Next we have the matching. ECG machine is matched with hybrid computer. SQL is matched with 4GL. BASIC is matched with binary language. BASIC is matched with interpreter. 0 and 1 are matched with binary language. Touch screen is matched with tablet. Next we have the full forms. BASIC, beginners all-purpose standard instruction code. COBOL, common business oriented language. Fortran, formula translation. Flops, floating point operations per second. PDA, personal digital assistant. MIMS, million instructions per second. Here we finish the revision of the chapter 1 book exercise. Now let us start chapter 2 book exercise. Everyone open page number 29. Fill in the blanks. Windows 1.0 was introduced by Dash in November 1985. Microsoft. The dash contains the notification area. Taskbar. Dash contains a Dash consists of 4 folders to save files by default. Libraries. The folder where you want to paste a file is called target folder. You can search for files using the search box by clicking on the dash button, start button. Next we have the tick the correct option. Dash are the wildcards used for searching for files. Question mark and asterisk. The arrow pick option lets you view the desktop without closing the open files. Pictures files. Picture files can have .png, .gif, .jpeg and .bmp as its extension name. When you switch on the computer, the first screen that is displayed is called the desktop. Small pictures called dash can be found on the desktop. Icons. Small pictures called icons can be found on the desktop. Next we have true and false. You can search for a group of files in Windows 7. True. Arrow option in Windows work only on files. False. .mp3 is the extension for video files. False. Arrow check minimizes all files except the one you check. True. A folder cannot contain another folder inside it. False. Arrow check, number D, I am repeating it once again. Arrow check minimizes all files except the one you check. True. A folder cannot contain another folder inside it. False. Turn the page. Name the following. Icons displayed on the taskbar for open programs. Thumbnails. Feature of Windows 7 which show live moving images of open application. Windows Flip 3D. Default location where all files are saved. Libraries. Application used to view and organize files and folders. Windows Explorer. Key used to select multiple files which are continuously placed. Shift key. Here we finish the chapter 2 revision of the book exercise. Today's HW work is to learn chapter 1 and 2 book exercise, and if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box and I will reply you back. Everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work on time. Bye-bye.